episode, and I'm gonna be doing a coilovers install. So I'm gonna be lowering the car as I did, way back before, and I'm pretty excited for doing this actually. Pretty tired self. I just, came back from a smog check, and I went to go buy more oil because my engine is all leaking. I need to get that thing fixed. Bought more tools in order to do the coilovers install. And since I already done this before, or I lowered the car before with these coilovers, but I sold them and I just got a brand newer one. So I'm gonna be lowering it. I don't know how much though. I just hope that from this drop height I'll cover at least this much, at least to the tire treads. For the rear, for the freaking rear, I want to go surpass to here. I know that the rear could drop a lot. That's what I'm gonna say. I just really want this thing to sit on the ground. So I'm so excited to get these. Well, if you guys are wondering what my next mod after this, it's gonna be wheels. I'm planning to get XSR's 521s, 17x7 with a 38, positive 38 offset. So it will. I'm pretty sure it will tuck since my fenders are rolled. If you guys watched that previous video, so I'm pretty sure it will tuck since it's a 38mm, positive 38mm offset instead of 15. So that thing pushed out so much, and yeah, I'm so excited to do it. So I'm gonna jack up the car, and I'm gonna give you guys a little, or show you guys what bolts to unbolt, and to see what you guys should do, so you guys won't make the same mistake. This is technically my third time doing coilovers install for this car, or a second time, I don't remember. So I'm just gonna go do a brief run on what you guys should do, because I don't want you guys to make the same mistake as I did way past. So I'm gonna jack the car up now. Alrighty, so let's just get right into it. So the bolts you have to remove before, taking out the OEM strut itself. It's kind of, simple. The most important thing you have to remove is this bolt that attaches to the OEM strut itself. And this is where I kind of fucked up when I first installed the coilovers with my friend. It didn't go too well. So I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but this roll bar, you just have to unbolt it right here, right there. Just unbolt it. It should come loose, and you should do that to the other side when you guys install coilovers. Don't just do one side at a time. You have to do both sides so it could be evenly, balanced. For the front, what you have to do is first remove this bottom bolt right here, right? That one. My hands are kind of full, but and then you probably need like a spanner, not a spanner, wrench. Probably a wrench and a ratchet to hold that down. You need to hold it on both sides, and then you remove this bolt in the rear, which tightens the I think this is control. I forgot what this, the wishbone, whatever it's called. I forgot what the part this is called. This tightens the strut, which once you loosen it, this thing will drop with that. So, and then once these two bolts are removed, you just go to the top and remove all these 5 bolts, and you should be all set. And then just put the aftermarket coilovers right in there, and you're all set. Let's install these coilovers are in already. The only main issue is the sway end links right there. The bolts won't go on. It just keeps rotating with the threads. So I just went to go buy a new one. Wait, I already replaced on this side. This one's already good. I went to get a new one. You guys can see the huge difference. Although this is the driver's side, and this one is the passenger side. I stopped by at my local auto shop, just picked these up for $20 each. Not too expensive, but no, it does.
put the team on my back. I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap. Nobody ever gon' challenge me. Starting my week on a Sunday. They think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off. Waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around. Never be turning around. Ayy. Never be slowing it down. Never be slowing it down. Ayy. I keep my foot on the gas. I keep my foot on the gas. Ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash. I know I'm never gon' crash. Ayy. Never be turning around. Never be turning around. Ayy. Never be slowing it down. Never be slowing it down. Ayy. I keep my foot on the gas. I keep my foot on the gas. Ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash. I know I'm never gon' crash. Ayy. Everyone making excuses. I've been busy making music. They just wanna see me fall off. Know that I'm never gon' lose it. Got addicted to the chase now. People saying that I changed now. Know that I'm never gon' stand still. I'm treating the game like a race now. They really been carefully watching me. They treated me like I was calories, but really they can't get enough of me. They treated me like I'm a salary. They bringing me up in discussion. They wondering how do I do it so casually. I celebrate all of my victories. All of a sudden they all gonna be mad at me. Damn, I don't have time for concern. I just go live and I learn. Trust me, I waited my turn. Living my dream in return. This is a given, it's earned. People been listening over the world. I've been making that money while I be asleep. I never ran to the money, but now all the money been too busy running to me. Ayy, I put the team on my back. I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap. Nobody ever gon' challenge me. Starting my week on a Sunday. They think they can